One of the most profitable Bitcoin traders out there just opened a $236 million long. What does this whale know that the rest of the market does not believe? Today, guys, I am going to talk you through this. I will talk you through what I think is going to happen for Bitcoin next. I will talk about altcoins. You know that altcoins are seeing a bit of a pullback today. Many altcoins are down between 5 to 15% across the board here. I will talk about these altcoins. I will talk about my trading strategies. I will talk about everything you need to know right now. So make sure to stick around from the beginning until the end of this video. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. So let's get straight into it, guys. And what you can see is that today we have another day of complete sideways action, guys. So on the daily time frame, you can see that for Bitcoin, we're still holding the support level here. So we haven't broken down for Bitcoin. We've been we've been testing this level so many times already, but still we're consolidating, and this looks like it wants to have another push towards the upside here. So I am not too worried. If we see a pullback, then big support at $99,800 at my orange line. So that is all great. If you look at the altcoin market in general, though, you can see that the altcoin market is down significantly today. And if you look at individual altcoins, you can see that Ethereum is actually still holding up pretty well at $2,500. So my orange line is holding up Ethereum here as well. So that is amazing to see. But many altcoins are starting to break down. So you can see that Solana, after also having been supported many times here, Solana is now starting to break down, and we are below this point. We tried to break through it yesterday, didn't manage to do that, so we're still below the key level at 169. For Doge, you can see that we're still at the support. For Cardano, Cardano was the first major altcoin to break down from its support level. This actually happened like 5 days ago, where we can see that we were supported multiple times and then a breakdown from this point. So it is kind of in the same way that it's looking like Solana was doing right here. So Solana breaking down, Cardano already broke down. XRP is still resting on support. So we have multiple coins resting on support. So XRP resting on this support here at $2.37. And Pepe also is breaking down from a major support level. So Pepe breaking down, Cardano already broke down. You can see that Doge is actually at support. So Solana is breaking down. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, and XRP are all at support. Now, if you look at the total crypto market, which is excluding Bitcoin, so smaller altcoins, you can also see that we have broken down from the support here and this trend line. So what am I personally doing, guys? If we come down lower, then I am going to buy the dip. As you know, guys, with my bull market portfolio, which I showed you like a week ago or so, I said that I was only allocating 50% of my money, and I will be allocating the rest of the 50% once we go down to lower prices. Now, I'm still waiting for lower prices. Let's see, guys, how low we can go and how good of an entry we can get. But for now, I'm still waiting here, and we might very well have a big bounce from these points. We could have a bullish headline, and then my bull market portfolio is once again going to be at massive profits. But I will talk more about this in a little bit. I'm just saying that I will be looking to buy the dip here for altcoins if we come down lower. Traditional markets are looking pretty good. Traditional markets continues to have a pump towards the upside here. Of course, the markets are closed today, and the markets are open up. The futures market is open up on Sunday evening. And then, of course, on Monday, we will see, because there was some big news that actually happened the last few days. So the first one is that, okay, I don't have that link right now, but Moody's actually downgraded the US government, the credit rating from the US government. So that was a big deal. It actually happened after the markets closed on Friday. So we will have to see how the markets are going to react to that on Monday. So they didn't have the time to react yet on the regular stock market. So we will see, guys. But for my trading strategies, how are we looking? Well, my main running strategies are looking pretty good. We're still up $500,000, $500,000 worth of profit here. We've been seeing some volatility, swings towards the up and towards the downside, which means that my trading strategies are going to make more profit. So that is amazing to see. Big profits here, and the more volatility, the more profit they're going to make. Additionally, my bull market portfolio, it's currently down $232,000, but still the algorithm is doing a good job here. And once we come up to the prices in which we saw previously, then these altcoins are going to be at insane profits because right now they have been buying the dip on the way down. But I will keep you updated on this, of course. But if we come down much lower for the altcoins, I will allocate the rest of the 50%, so keep that in mind. Now, if you want to use my trading strategies yourself, go to the description of this video. You're able to get in at a much lower price than I got in the bull market portfolio. First, watch the tutorials, all these videos right here. But then if you want to use them, sign up to Pionex using this link, claim the amazing bonuses using this link. And then you have my main coins right here. And then you have my bull market portfolio with these links. You can start up whichever altcoin you want. But there is a whale, one of the most profitable on-chain whales, who previously, if we go back here, he has been making 40 million, more than $55 million worth of profits here in the last month alone. He is now taking urgent action, and he actually went long, and we can see this all transparently because he's using Hyperliquid, which is a decentralized trading platform. So $236 million worth of Bitcoin. This is how he went 40x long here, guys. The liquidation price is currently at $93,000. So if he comes down to $93,000, he is going to get liquidated. But yeah, he's having a big bet on the prices going up here. Now, who is this guy who is actually doing this crazy position? The name is James Wynn Real on Twitter. He's a top 1% trader on Hyperliquid. And what has he been saying about this? He has been saying, let me see. This is the screenshot from when he entered as well. Bitcoin is gonna snap. If I'm wrong, I will buy more. Literally begging for Bitcoin to go lower. I can't see it though, but hope it does. Bitcoin is gliding. It's beautiful right now. But there is one big caveat you need to understand with this. First one is, or there's a few ones. First one is that just because he is long here, he can still hedge. He can be long this position right here, and then he can, let's say, be short the same position on Bybit, meaning he is net neutral, meaning the same amount of losses he will have right here, he will make the same on his short on another platform. So that is the first thing. We don't know if he is short on other platforms. And the second thing is he is promoting some small altcoins as well. So in my opinion, Moonpig is the safe moon equivalent of this cycle. And he is pushing this Moonpig thing, which seems to be a very small altcoin. So just keep that in mind. Maybe he is trying to drive hype to his account to push these smaller coins. So we don't know. This is just one thing to keep in mind, but still there's no denying that he is long $236 million on chain, which is absolutely massive. So let's see, guys, do you think that this whale is going to be profitable on this position, or do you think that he is going to get wrecked as we come down to $93,000? Let me know down in the comment section. For me personally, I believe Bitcoin is going to go higher, and I don't think that we are going to go down to $93,000 in the near future. So I will keep track of this, and it is going to be pretty exciting to see if he is able to turn this around and make insane profits. Right now, if we look at the last 24 hours, he's actually down $8 million already on this position. Entry price, oh sorry, he has other positions as well. I didn't notice that. So look at this. He is long also $37,000 XRP. And then K-Pepe, $42 million and $37 million, like I said, on XRP. So he is overall long like $300 million worth of crypto here. Very, very interesting. What the hell? Look at this. K-Pepe up $16 million on this position. Is this the same Pepe? Let me see, 0.0077. No, it's a different one. So it's not the normal Pepe. Sorry, I just have to look it up. So K-Pepe, it's not listed. It's listed. So not sure, guys. I guess this is a smaller altcoin, and maybe he pumped the price himself. I'm not sure. But yeah, we'll do some more digging on this one, guys. Seems to be quite a few wallets here who are taking trades on this coin as well. But anyway, let's see. So this is the trader. A couple of other headlines. So there's more companies establishing Bitcoin treasuries. So there's a company called Day Cook, who is going to buy 5,000 Bitcoin. They already bought 100 of these ones. They will buy the rest during the next 36 months. So bullish for Bitcoin. Also, Basel Medical Group has announced a plan to acquire $1 billion worth of Bitcoin. The current market cap is only $45 million for this one though. So we'll see if they will be able to raise this amount of money to buy $1 billion. We will see. There's more sources saying that there's more bullish things going to happen for Bitcoin. So 2 sources at Goldman Sachs says the firm is exploring market interest in Bitcoin bonds. So this will be amazing. And there's also appetite for MicroStrategy debt. But in late 2025 or early 2026, and remember guys, I said that the peak for the market is going to be in 2026. But they say that there's going to be an explosion of Bitcoin and crypto product offerings. So that will be amazing to see. And yeah, in my opinion, guys, things are still looking very good. Bitcoin is holding steady. Many of the altcoins are holding steady support. Yes, we are seeing a pullback across the board, guys. But yeah, this is what's going to happen. And this is how the trading strategies are also going to thrive as they make profits based on that volatility, guys. So I see no reason for concern here. I'm still bullish. I'm still in all of my positions here. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.